Watch our best plan for your dream house 2019. A fantastic 2-story house plan with 3-bedroom. Required plot area length is 12 meter and width is 15 meter. Total ground floor area is 994 square feet and first floor area is 506 square feet. Single floor house plan with 2 BHK. Plot area required for this plan length is 12 meter and width is 16 meter. Total area is 875 square feet. It is a double floor house plan. Total plot area required for this plan length is 14 meter and width is 15 meter. It is a 2-story house plan with 3-bedroom and 2 in ground floor and 1 in first floor. The total ground floor area is 1094 square feet and first floor area is 406 sq feet. It is a single floor house plan in an area of 900 square feet with 2 BHK. Required plot size is length 12 meter and width is 15 meter. Fantastic 2-story house plan with 3-bedroom. Required plot area length is 14 meter and width is 18 meter. Total ground floor area is 1193 square feet and first floor area is 587 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom single-story house plan. Minimum required plot size is length 14 meter and width is 19 meter. The total area of this plan is 1033 square feet. It is a 2-story house plan with 3-bedroom and 2 in ground floor and 1 in first floor. The total area is 1767. It is single floor house plan with 2-bedroom. Required plot size is length 14 meter and width is 18 meter. Total area is 1193 square feet. Excellent 2-story house plan with 4-bedroom. Required plot area length is 12 meter and width is 18 meter. Total ground floor area is 1065 square feet and first floor area is 720 square feet. It is a 2 BHK simplex house plan in an area of 568 square feet. Required plot size length is 11 meter and width is 15 meter.